Hey there, welcome to DevSwarm. DevSwarm is the multitasking IDE powered by your favorite AI coding assistant. Let me show you what that means. After importing the Git repositories you want to work on, you make sure the AI coding assistants you plan on using are ready to go. We have a large selection, and if you need to install any, we make that really easy too. Now we can get to work. In DevSwarm, that means creating workspaces for each task. A workspace is an isolated folder with a Git work tree, so you can commit, push, merge, and revert just like you normally would to track your work. But because they're each a separate folder, your AI won't accidentally damage another AI's work. And each workspace opens a fully functional IDE, so you can multitask the way that works best for you. Do you prefer using an AI VS Code extension? You can. Multitasking isn't limited to command line AI in DevSwarm. Also, IntelliSense, refactors, the features you expect to be in an IDE are all here. Switching between workspaces is fast. So fast we have hotkeys specifically for switching workspaces quickly. This is where development is going, multitasking on several features, bugs, epics, so you can stay in flow. No more watching AI think. You can keep pace and keep building without compromise. You can even multitask on several repos at once. Work on all your projects simultaneously. And this is all part of the free tier, but our pro and team tiers bring even more of the software development lifecycle right into DevSwarm. Pro users will be able to review code, leave comments, and approve or request changes in PRs, all in DevSwarm. Since each PR can start in its own workspace, review is way less disruptive. No more breaking your local setup, swapping between branches. Team users will have access to our Jira integration. Easily start your sprint work from DevSwarm. We're excited about what the future holds, and DevSwarm aims to be with you every step of the way.